What's up, y'all, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Morgan and I do a lot of lifestyle content, so if you like that kind of thing, stick around. I live in the beautiful mountainy area of Alaska. I might move soon. Not soon, but I might move eventually, but for now, we are here. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a closet clean out / wardrobe switchover from my fall, winter items to my spring, summer items. It's still a little bit cold here, but I'm going to do that nice switch off and then try on all my clothes to see if I want to get rid of anything, because I want my wardrobe to be a lot smaller than it is. I feel like it's easier to pick out outfits when you have a lot of classic pieces, things that you reach for a lot, and when it's smaller. So I'm trying to focus more on that and be really aware of like what colors just don't look good on me and I don't reach for, to like get rid of that, make a note of what doesn't look good on me, and go from there. So let's start switching things over first. I have my get rid of pile and everything else to put away, so let's put everything into the closets. Finally put everything away. I have all my husband's clothes on that side, mine on this side. I put my jeans hanging up right there, all my kind of more summery things, dresses, skirts, some button downs, my jean jackets, some summery tops, socks and sporty things down there, some cute belts and headscarves and things like that, shoes and purses up there. In this closet, I have on this side some of my like trousers and pants that I like to wear just for like cute casual events, all my hoodies and crew necks. Some more bags are down there, and this is mostly just all my athletic wear with some basic like tops, just like very basic tops and tank tops, and then my athletic pants are back there, and then all my athletic shorts, some pajamas are there, slippers, some headbands are down here with some miscellaneous items, and then my little bikini box is up here, which is super cute. And that is finally all done. Feels good to get that finished out of the way. Here's a little pile that I'm getting rid of, which is a good little amount, so I can either ask my sister if she wants it or just donate it. And I have a couple more, I think, items in a different bag that I'm gonna donate as well, so that feels really good. Oh, you like this cute like little quilt? My aunt made it for me. It's so cute. There's like some sparkly fabric and like little Eiffel towers. It's just so cute and springy. That's kind of fun. It is the next day. The closet's still looking good, but now I have my vanity to worry about. It's super dirty. There's stuff everywhere, and on this like shelf behind you can't really see. But I just need to reorganize it and like reorganize the shelves because it is super not functional. I have to clean all my makeup brushes and everything because I had a modeling photo shoot yesterday, and I have a wedding that I have to do a bunch of bridesmaids and the bride on Saturday, so I have to clean all the makeup that I used for that and all the brushes and clean all this space up and pack everything for the wedding. And so we're just gonna do that because it's gonna take a while, and I just want everything to be clean and neat and organized so that I can be ready to go for the weekend. So let's do it.
Could be wrong, though. If there's a point to being good, then where's why we would? The good die young and poor. I gave it all I could. Stuck in this terror dome. All I see is terrible.
Okay, I finally cleaned everything. I have to clean my brushes still, but I organized everything and cleaned all of my makeup. It is ready to go. It looks so clean and nice. So here, I'll show you. All the shelves are nice and full. Everything is clean and organized. I have kind of my, I guess, moisturizers and face prep up there. And then I have all my lippies, my lip glosses, lipsticks. And then down here I have some blushes, powders, lotions, body glitter, glow, face mist, setting spray, lip masks. I got my foundation, more moisturizer. It's like my luxurious moisturizer. Some lashes that I sometimes stick on my lashes when I have mascara on. Finishing powder and a Rare Beauty highlighter. And then some brushes. Over here is a little bit of a miscellaneous. It's like hair stuff, more skincare. And then up here is also more hair things and skincare and just miscellaneous kind of over here. And then on this little shelf right next to me, I have some body mist, some more brushes, my press-on nails, lashes, these little pore pads, my Grace and Stella eye patches. I have all my little palettes up here. And then in my drawers, I have all my Made by Mitchell products, the curve cases, comet case, cupid case, color case, my makeup by Mario, eyeshadow palette, hair things, beauty blenders, all of that. And in this drawer I have eyebrow stuff on the right, then lip stuff, tweezers, and then my gel and kind of miscellaneous things in there, my lash lifter, my lash curler, and then I have my lip stain, oils, lip glosses, lip liners, some miscellaneous things, all my eyeliners. Then I have some tints, some face tints, mascaras, blushes and bronzers in there. And back there is just like some more miscellaneous things. So it's kind of organized. And that's it for that. So that is done. Yay. But now I gotta wash all my brushes, so I gotta do that next. It's the next day because I had to do a lot of things yesterday that I didn't plan for. And so I had to just pause what I was doing, all my cleaning and work. Different things. But I have to clean all of these brushes. Yay! And they have to dry before tomorrow because my wedding, not my wedding, but the wedding I'm working is tomorrow. And they have to dry completely overnight. It's all day today and overnight. So let's clean these. I felt like it took forever, but I cleaned all the brushes and they look really nice and new. Look how beautiful. I love these brushes. These are the Made by Mitchell brushes, and this ombre set is so fun, and I just love all of these brushes. They're so nice and versatile. And these are my older ones, but I still love them. I love the Eco Tools brushes. These two are dual ended and they're just super nice for eyes. But there we go. All ready and prepped for tomorrow. I do have some things that I am putting on for sale on Curtsy. I have some Lululemon activewear, some other cute things. So if you're interested in anything, my closet is linked below, my Curtsy closet, so I'll have that for you guys. And that's it. So thanks for watching, and I hope you can get motivated to clean out your own closet, do a little declutter, maybe a wardrobe switchover from your fall winter to your spring summer clothes. It's just really nice to have it done. Hope that motivated you a little bit and we could have done it together. And I will see you in the next video. Have a blessed day.